Welcome to Digital Drive. From AI breakthroughs to smart strategies for making money online, we break it down, clear, concise, and straight to the point. Subscribe, buckle up, and let's drive your digital future forward. Google Veo3 global launch. Imagine typing a sentence and watching it turn into a fully animated, cinematic quality video, complete with synced voice, music, and movement, all in seconds. Sounds like science fiction? Not anymore. Google has officially launched Veo3, its most powerful AI video generation tool, and it's now available globally. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about Veo3, what it is, how it works, real use cases, global access, major concerns, and what it means for the future of content creation. Stick with me, because the AI video revolution has officially begun. What is Veo3? Veo3 is Google's latest leap in AI, a text-to-video generation model developed by DeepMind. You give it a prompt, like a sunset over a futuristic city, and it generates an 8-second, high-quality video, complete with movement, lighting, and audio. It's not a slideshow or animation. It's real-looking motion footage. Veo understands camera angles, action physics, lighting direction, and even audio cues. From ambient sounds to character dialogue, it creates content that feels like it was made in a film studio. This is full-scale AI-powered filmmaking. 2 global rollout, and who can use it? Now here's the big update. Veo3 is no longer in limited testing. It's now rolling out to over 150 countries, including India, Indonesia, the UK, most of Europe, the Middle East, and more. You can access Veo3 through the Gemini mobile app, available on Android and iOS, or via Vertex AI on Google Cloud for enterprise users. Gemini Pro subscribers get 3 free videos per day, while Ultra users unlock more advanced access. And if you use Canva, Veo is already integrated into their new AI video generator. 3. What makes Veo3 so special? So what sets Veo3 apart from other tools like Runway, Pika, or OpenAI's Sora? For starters, it delivers cinematic realism at 24 frames per second, generates ambient audio and background sounds automatically, offers lip-synced voice for characters, simulates real-world physics, including gravity, water, and lighting. This is no longer AI assisting creators. This is AI becoming the creator. 4 use cases, from creators to corporates. The possibilities are endless. White-heavy checkmark YouTubers can make faceless content in minutes. White-heavy checkmark educators can bring abstract lessons to life. White-heavy checkmark brands can produce product videos without a camera. White-heavy checkmark agencies can rapidly prototype ads and explainers. And when you combine Veo with tools like ChatGPT for scripts and 11 Labs for voiceovers, you can fully automate the video creation process, from concept to publication, in under an hour. 5. The problems: racism, bias, and misuse. But with this power comes serious responsibility. Veo3 has already been used to generate disturbing content. Racist depictions, deepfakes with harmful stereotypes, misinformation that blurs truth and fiction. Some of these videos are going viral on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Google has responded by adding SynthID watermarks to all generated videos and enforcing prompt restrictions. Still, the question remains: can platforms and policies keep up with the speed and scale of misuse? 6. How to use it step by step. Want to try Veo3 yourself? Here's how. 1. Download the Gemini app or log in to Vertex AI. 2. Subscribe to Gemini Pro or Ultra. 3. Enter your video prompt. 4. Click Generate. 5. Download or share your 8-second cinematic video. It's as simple as writing a sentence. No studio, no crew, just your imagination. 7. What it means for the future. Veo3 is just the beginning. Imagine longer videos, voice-controlled direction, entire stories made with one command. We're heading toward a future where content creation becomes instant, visual storytelling becomes universal, and digital creators can scale like never before. But we also need guardrails, clear ethics, transparency, and content labeling to avoid abuse. Veo3 is a powerful, exciting, and controversial leap forward for AI video. It empowers creators, but also raises big questions. If you're ready to explore the future of content creation, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Do you think Veo3 is a game changer or a risk too big to ignore? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.